So very good evening, all my dear friends from different states of my country, and I welcome you on our online show. Let's talk in English with non-native English speakers. We have seen a lot of
Yes, sir.
native English speakers, but this is our own show. Without spending a single penny from your purse, we get a chance to practice our English, and we can get also some ideas from different different speakers. We all are unique. We all have special to share with the people. So this is the platform to share our ideas. And when you share, you get something more every day. So without wasting our time, let's go to our main point. And today we are going to start with phrasal verbs. Everybody knows about phrasal verb.
Yes, sir.
Okay, so I sent you one file with phrasal verbs. Okay, first one is hold on. Hold on. Many times we use okay, hold on, hold on.
Yes,
sir.
Hold on means just wait a minute. Have you completed your work at home or not in advance? One day prior, I sent you this whole thing, so you can do at home. So hold on means what's the meaning of hold on? Adnuj?
To wait.
Hang on.
To wait, sir. To wait some.
To await
To
something.
told someone to wait.
Yeah, wait. So hold on. I'm coming to you. Okay, you will get chance to speak. Hold on, but now this is a chance of Pankaj Ambe to speak. So hold on, please. I will come to you. Pankaj Ambe, is
Yes,
it
sir.
clear?
Yes, sir. Yes.
This is an example how to make hold on. Okay.
Yes, yes.
Anybody wants to make a sentence? Hold on.
Can I speak, sir?
Yeah, definitely,
Yes,
Pankaj.
sir.
Yes, sir. I make a two sentence on hold on. The first one is he hold on the book of the chair to stop himself from the failing. And the second one is these nuts and bolts hold the wheels on.
Okay,
That's it, sir.
That's okay. That's okay. Now,
Can I
anybody
also
wants to speak? Hold on.
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
Just
sir.
raise your hand. Okay, Ranjana Goswami is ready with her sentence. So, Ranjana Goswami.
I also make two sentences. So first one, hold on, take my book. I am just coming. Second one, hold on 5 minutes. I will be ready for party.
Okay, now I want to tell you one more, and I want to request to all speakers turn off your audio when you are not speaking. So, this is also phrasal verb turn off. Turn off your audio when you are not speaking. Yeah, very nice examples. Now, Nageshwar Rao, I would like to come to you to make some sentences by using hold on.
Uh, uh, hold on the rope, lest you should fall down.
Hmm. And you can say, hold on,
One
sir, hold
sentence.
on. I'm making a sentence by using hold on. Okay. Hold on. I'm making.
Okay, sir.
Yeah. So, one last. Deepak Kumar, I welcome you on our own show. And this is your
Thank you,
first
sir.
time,
Thank
I
you
know
very
that.
much. Yes,
So,
sir.
can you make one sentence by using hold on?
Yes, sir. Definitely. My first sentence is that hold on. I am coming to you.
Yes, very nice. So, let's go to
And
the. Yeah,
and
yes.
second one is that hold on. I will finish this work.
Okay, next phrasal verb is here. Let someone or something go. Okay, we have to come across, actually, we have to face so many problems in our life. So, can you hold these all problems whole life? So, sometimes you advise your friend, let it go. All days are new. All days are new. Okay, yesterday was bad day for you. So, let it go. Start your new day. Okay, because every day is a new day. So, let someone or something go. So now this is your turn to make sentence by using let someone or something go. Yeah. So Narendra. Yeah, Narendra.
Yes, sir. Thank you so much for your precious time. Okay, my sentence is focus on your positives and let go your negatives. Or that's all.
So let negative things go. Let
Go.
negative things go. Okay. Something or someone. Let something or someone then go. Yeah, Sheikh Akhtar, would you like to make a sentence by using let it go or let someone go?
Thank you very much, sir. So, uh, let someone go or something go. If you are in a complicated situation, so uh, let it go for next time.
And I always advise my students also, when they make mistakes and when they get nervous, then I can say, okay, 90% things you have done completely, perfectly, and 10% you have made mistakes, so let it go. Okay, let it go. Just think about your 90% work. Let it go about your 10% work. Is it clear? Okay. So now Smita Bihar, would you like to make sentence?
Yes, sir. Good evening, sir. And I want to make two sentences from let don't think to just let it be.
Your audio is not clear, Smita. Yeah, carry
Just
on.
let him go. Yes, sir.
Okay, now Pankaj Udaipur, would you like to make a sentence by using this
First,
phrasal verb?
don't think, just let it go.
Okay, Smita, your voice is not clear because of your network problem or anything else. I don't know reason, but your audio is not clear. So let it go now, okay? And hold on, I will come to you.
May
Yeah,
I?
Pankaj.
Yeah. Good evening, sir. Good evening, all. So I'm making sentence by let it go. I lost the match yesterday, and I'm worried about today also. My friend came to me and said that easily let it go about this match and prepare for next.
Okay, so let's go to next phrasal verb, and that is called fall over. You can see fall over. What's the meaning of fall over?
Fell down.
Yeah, fell down. Yeah, fall to the ground. Fall to the ground.
Fall to the ground. Right.
So when I was learning how to ride a bicycle, then I fell over many times, but I didn't mind to learn how to ride a bicycle. So though I failed many times and I fell over many times, but I keep practicing, and one day I learned how to ride a bicycle, and I participated in the bicycle race competition, and I got the first rank. Got it? So who is ready to make a sentence by using fall over? Fall over. So first say meaning of fall over, then start making sentence.
Okay. Fall over means fall on the ground.
Fall to the ground. Yes, Sujit. Then Akhilesh Hyderabad, be ready. Okay. Now it will be your turn to make sentence. Yes.
If you boil milk too high, it will fall over.
Sorry. Can you repeat it again?
Yes, sir, definitely. If you boil milk too high, it will fall over.
Okay. So now
When,
Akhilesh, yeah, one more would you like to make?
yes, sir.
Hmm.
When a child baby tried to wake up and suddenly he fall over.
Fell over.
Fell
Fall,
over.
fell, fallen. Fall, fell,
Fallen.
fallen. Okay,
Okay.
now Akhilesh Hyderabad, be ready.
So, when I was trying to get a job after my graduation, I fell over many times and I tried many times and finally I got succeed. So, what I think I can use this sentence as a to be unsuccessful also in the term of became unsuccessful.
Yeah, definitely we can use it. Okay.
So may I also?
Yeah, Deepak Kumar.
Yes, sir, I make this one sentence. I fell over many times in my life, but I never lose my heart. I always keep on.
So because you have a positive personality, positive attitude, okay?
Yes, sir, yes.
And you can be the positive
And,
attitude for us
and
also.
this is also related to my life also.
Oh, that's good. It must be our attitude. Bounce back. Do
Yeah.
you know that bounce back?
Yes, yes, sir.
Yes. Okay. 18A402BE. Please, my dear friend, write down your name. It's very weird to read this type of numbers. So please write down your
That's right.
name and place.
That's why
Okay,
suddenly
sir,
I'm
can you hear
talking.
me?
Why sir is that type of word? That type of numeric number.
Yeah, my dear friends,
Hello,
all
sir.
facilities are available here to write down your
Hello,
name,
sir.
name.
Sir,
Yeah.
this is Kishan Gupta. Can you hear me?
Yes, yes. Make a sentence. Now this is your turn to make. Yeah, Mani. Who
Okay.
is speaking now?
Sir, I'm Kishan Gupta.
Yeah, Kishan Gupta.
18A4. Sir, my sentence is Newton was thinking under the tree and suddenly an apple fall over him. That incident invented the law of gravity.
Okay. So now I have
Sir,
written
that
your name,
was-
Kishan Gupta. Okay, yes.
Okay, thank you, sir.
Okay, Piyush Bihar, would you like to make a sentence?
Sir, good evening, sir.
Sir, I would like to
First
make this sentence.
is MS Dhoni fell over many times in cricket, and now he is the successful in the cricket.
So he is an eminent personality all over the world in the cricket field. Okay. Next one is pickup. Pickup. It has some different meanings also. Pickup. Yeah.
It means that to choose something.
Choose something. Yes. Pickup means choose something. Okay. Okay, my dear friends, we are getting late. So pick up your favorite thing. You are here to do shopping. So pick up fast. Otherwise, I'm getting late. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Yeah. That is the first meaning. Then.
Then can I speak, sir?
Sorry, pick up, become better or improve. Okay, I have also made mistake here.
Improve,
That is
sir.
a-
Improve.
Okay, that is called the pick out. Choose, select means pick out. I have made a mistake. I'm really sorry for that. So our phrasal verb is pick up. Pick
No
up.
problem.
Okay, last time also we discussed about the pick up. Oh, look, the garbage is here and there. So pick up all garbage and put it in the dustbin. Put it in the dustbin. Pick up. And one more meaning is that pick up. For example, your friends doesn't have any vehicle, and you both have to attend the one. You have to go to the one birthday party. Then you can make a call. Okay, you don't have any vehicle. Don't worry about that. Hold on at that place. I will come there and I will pick you up, and we will go to birthday party together. Can you understand? Second meaning, pick you up. Okay, if you are not speaking, please turn off your audio. You are attending webinar, my dear friends. And here you are with the 25 people. So you are wasting the time of 25 people. So this is your responsibility to turn off your audio when you are not speaking. Okay. So now this is your turn to make sentences by using pickup. Yeah, Ratesh Punch.
Improve also, na?
Become better. Yes,
May I
improvement. Become better. We are picking up day by day. We are picking up day by day by attending this seminar or webinar every day. Getting better.
Thank you,
Pickup
sir.
means getting better also. Very nice. Now, Ratesh Punch, this is your turn to make sentence.
Okay, good evening, sir. Pick up, like, can you please pick up the garbage and put it in the bin?
Yeah. Then second meaning, getting better.
We should pick up a nice word in order to improve our English skills.
No, that is, pick out. Pick out means choose or select.
Okay.
We should practice every day to pick up.
Okay. Right, sir.
So may I?
Yeah, definitely I will come to you, Deepak Kumar, but this is my duty to give the chance to each and every
Fine.
person who are attending this webinar, okay? Yes. Ratesh Punj, would you like to make one more sentence by using this one?
Sir, it's not coming in my mind actually.
Okay. So it is in your tongue of teeth, but you are not able to.
Yes, sir. Yes, exactly.
Okay, now Kishan Gupta, okay, you have already completed Kishan Gupta. Now Papia Tripura.
Yes, sir. So, pick up. Ria will come to pick up me to her house. Then another is when I called Rabina, the phone was picked up by her mother. That's also.
Okay. Now Lakshmi.
Yes, sir. When I was studying, suddenly my pen fell from my hand and I picked it up from the floor. That's it, sir. Only one sentence.
Okay, that's enough. And let's go to our last phrasal verb for today.
Sir, can I make a sentence?
Yeah, you can pick out.
Sir, can I make a sentence from pick up?
Yeah, make.
Sir, students are interested to pick good job for their life up.
Okay, that is called the pick out. Okay, to choose.
Okay. Okay,
yeah.
sir.
Okay.
I want to.
Yeah, hello.
Yes, sir, I want to say something.
Yeah. Who is speaking first and what do you want to speak? Okay.
I can pick up her among all the people party.
Okay. We will clear our doubt again. Actually, we are going to revise this on. The warm-up is going on now. Warm-up is going on. Then after that, we are going to use these all phrasal verbs again in this session to make our more sentences. Okay. So next one is pick out. Pick up is over. Now pick out. What's the meaning of pick out? Means choose, select.
Choose something. Decide something.
Then somebody advised me, oh Prakash, you are writing a story and you are a new story writer, then you should be very careful to pick out your words.
Yes. Right. Yes, sir. Yes.
So pick out.
Yes, sir. Can I speak, sir?
Yeah, definitely.
Pick out the first sentence is BCCI always try to pick out the best player. That's it, sir.
Okay, when you go to buy vegetables, then you always check out you always check it properly. Then you pick out the fresh vegetables. You pick out fresh vegetables.
Yes, sir.
Sir, can I make a sentence?
Yeah.
Sir, there are so many students. I want to pick out one of them for the competition.
Oh, excellent sentence. Very easy to understand. Excellent. And last one is put down. Okay, you have seen lot of time in the movies of dacoits or Gabbar like that. Hands up, put down your guns. First, hands up and put down your guns. Very easy to understand. Put something down.
Yes.
Very easy.
Yes, sir.
Okay, so last time we studied, put out. Put out means extinguish. When you change your prepositions, meanings are quite different.
Put down means killing, na sir? Kill someone.
Sorry, put out means
Decrease.
extinguish. Extinguish. Bujana.
Put down.
Put out.
No, put down.
Put down.
Here we are learning put down. So put
Yes,
down
sir.
your gun. Okay. Now you are in my under.
Other-
Put down your gun.
Okay.
We have to put down the terrorism. Like, and also we have to put down the coronavirus by following the social distance.
Okay. So again,
So
my
what-
dear
what-
friends, our warm up is going. Warm up is over.
down
Now
your-
this is your time. This is your time to think something more about these phrasal verbs and choose or pick out. Sorry, pick up. Sorry, again I made it. Pick out some 3 phrasal verbs. Pick out 3 phrasal verbs and make sentences. Any three phrasal verbs. Is it clear for you? Then I will come to you. So now you have 1 minute to think about that topic, about these phrasal verbs, and you have 1 minute to make your sentences.
So I have made, sir. I have made 5
You have already
sentences.
made. made?
So 5 Nageshwara Rao, sir.
Yeah, Nageshwar Rao.
Nageshwara Rao.
Yeah.
Yes, sir. These are the sentences about coronavirus. First, wake up. We have to wake up the seriousness of the COVID-19 crisis. The doctors don't walk away to give the treatment to the COVID-19 patients. Don't walk up to the public places. The pandemic virus gets up day by day. So we have to put down the virus by following the social distance. This is all about coronavirus.
Very nice. So almost most of phrasal verbs you have tried to use in your sentences. Very nice. Now,
Thank you.
Deepak Kumar, I
Sir,
would like
can
to
I
come.
make-
Yeah, definitely I will come to you, Ranjana Goswami. Now I want to go to Deepak Kumar. Then
Okay, sir.
Okay, Rishi Raj, are you ready, Rishi Raj, to make sentences?
Sir, I am ready.
Okay, so after Deepak Kumar, you will speak. Rishi Raj, after that, Ranjana Goswami. Yeah.
Sir, I make the 2 sentences of put down.
He always want to pick down me.
Yeah. Deepak Kumar.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, have you finished?
Sir, I make the so yes, I make the 2 sentences of put down, sir. Please put down your bag, and one is, sir, repeat by you, sir. One, hands up and put down your weapons.
Very nice, superb. Now Rishi Raj Udayan.
Yes, sir. Hello.
Yeah.
Can you hear me?
Yes, I can hear you, Rishi Raj. Make sentences by using these phrasal verbs.
Sir, as neighbor wants,
Oh, my dear friends, your audio is not clear.
Sir, your voice is not audible to me.
Can you hear me? Is my voice clear or not? You okay?
Your voice is coming very clear.
Yes.
Very.
Your voice is
Your voice
crystal and
coming
clear, sir.
My voice is not clear?
No, your
Sir,
voice
your
is very
voice
clear.
is crystal and clear, sir.
Okay, thank you. Okay. So now Ranjana Goswami, then Akhilesh Hyderabad, be ready.
Okay, sir. So my first sentence, let go. Let go of bad things from your life. And second one, let go of this train, I will take another. And put down. You should put down all good thoughts on your diary. And pick out. I help my sister pick out a beautiful dress. And yes, sir, that's it. Sir, I want to say, and please repeat pick up meaning because I'm little bit confused.
Okay, pick up.
You say,
yeah, pick up means become better, also means improve something.
okay.
And sometimes we also use for phone call. Pick up the call.
Okay.
So receive. So that's why phrasal verbs are difficult to understand. Okay. It's not a piece of cake to understand or easily you can use. So it takes some time to be mastered, to get habitual with these phrasal verbs. Today we are not talking about our daily routine. I wake up early in the morning and I go to garden and I okay, today we are practicing phrasal verbs. Yeah, Akhilesh, Hyderabad.
Yeah. Thank you, sir. So this coronavirus pandemic has put down our Indian economy in a recession. But when this pandemic will end, then our economy will pick up, and at that time, I will pick out some best stock to invest in the stock market.
Very clever, very clever. Akhilesh, you are very clever. Okay.
Okay.
Now,
Thank you, sir.
Yeah, one more. Pankaj Mumbai. Okay, Pankaj Ambe he has already got the chance. Now, no, Arup.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, I'm
Yes,
really
sir.
sorry for not giving you chance so far, but now this is your turn, okay?
All right, sir. I make 3 sentences, sir.
Yeah.
So the first one is, I put down my thoughts on paper. And second sentence is, my sister is in tuition today, so I have to pick up her. I have to pick her up from there. My third sentence is, right now we are in an online platform, so we all should hold on for a moment until someone finishes talking.
Okay, that's good. Where are you from, Arup?
I am from West Bengal, sir. I am written Asansol. I am from West Bengal, Asansol.
Okay. So now, Manisha Sharma.
Yes, sir. Thank you, sir. Sir, I have made 3 sentences. First one is by using walk away. You should not walk away from your family as you know that they are in trouble. And the second one by using put down. Don't put yourself down as you know that you have a learning disorder. And third one by using pick out and put down. Pick out a word from a dictionary and put it down on a paper.
Yeah, very nice. Okay, very nice, Manisha Sharma. Okay, 02248. Yeah.
Sir, I want to say something. Can you hear me?
Yeah, Manisha Sharma, carry on. What would you like to share with us?
Sir, you are doing a great job. You're very fantastic, sir.
Oh, thank you very much. Thank you very much, Manisha Sharma, for praising me. Okay, so now 02248.
Yes, sir.
Hello. Yeah.
Sir, I make the pickup. You can pick up this stock from my place. And next one is pick out. You always try to pick out fresh vegetables. And one more is pick up. You can pick up me from my place.
So is it your number? Okay, I told 02248.
That is mine, sir.
No, who is 02248? Because I'm asking this question to this person. Hello,
Yes,
my dear
that
friend.
is someone, yes.
Yeah,
Someone is-
someone is there.
2 months is total.
Okay. So let him go. I want to use this phrase. Let him go if he is not ready to speak. Okay, yes. Sir.
No, actually he is telling sir some disturbance is coming. That's why he is not speaking.
So, my dear friends, 4 minutes are left in the session, and after that we have a practice on some model observations which are very useful for you. So, our first session was really very tough, very hard to make some sentences. and it was not easy to understand all physical verbs, but we did it successfully. And one more thing I want to tell you in advance, we have one more session. If you are new speakers on in our show, I request you please turn off your audio because this is not your turn to speak.
Sir, I would like to say something, sir.
Yeah, definitely.
Hello.
Yeah, who is speaking?
Sir, this is Anuj. Actually, sir, you are the host. I guess you have the option to turn off the microphone.
Yes,
You can turn off all the microphones, sir.
Okay, so mute all.
Yes, sir.
So now all are mute. That's good. There is no disturbance. Thank you for giving me this suggestion. Okay, Anuj. So my dear friends, we have one more session after this and we have only 2 minutes left in this session. So you can use same ID and password to connect with us. And we have one more interesting topic. I know that first one was really very difficult to understand, to use this all thing, but this is really very useful for us. If you don't know about phrasal verbs, then you will have to face a problem in future. Okay, if you are able to speak English, but if you have not enough knowledge about phrasal verbs, then you will have to face a big problem in the future. So that's why I request to all of you, you also can see on my book, when I bought this in 2008, this is only for phrasal verbs. Okay.
Oh.
Yeah, only for phrasal verbs.
So what is the name of book?
Okay, actually,
What is
it's a homemade book. It is not publication. Homemade book. We means some of our friends try to pick out. I can say pick out useful phrasal verbs, and we made it. We made it actually. So this is my part.
How can we get?
We are going to practice all phrasal verbs 5 to 7. So that's why I given you this phrasal verb from this book actually.
Sir, how can we get this book?
Actually, you don't need to buy this book. Books are available in the market, on YouTube also available. No problem if you want to learn phrasal verbs. But what is the problem? Everything is available on YouTube, but we don't have time. We don't have we don't have environment to practice these all phrasal verbs. Okay.
Yes, sir.
So what
material is available on YouTube, but I am today I am trying to learn, but I am facing some many problems. Okay, because everybody teaching style is not good as like you.
Okay, thank you very much.
So I want to add one thing in that. So what I think, we should follow one person at a time. Even especially if we are learning any new skills, especially in language, in the term of language. So I think we should follow sir only, and all things will be good and much better.
So every day we are going to practice 5 to 7 phrasal verbs, and actually 40 minutes we are going to practice only for 4 or 6, 5 or 7 phrasal verbs. Then definitely we are going to be the master. In the future, we will be able to use this